What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually working on the Miata again for the first time in a very long time. The Miata currently is on the lift, and there's a second one, finally. So now what I'm gonna do is, instead of dealing with all of this stupid damage that I got annoyed with and frustrated with, a friend, Cameron, show your face, a friend has come in and helped me and found this shell, basically, of a Miata. And so we're gonna swap everything that I need to swap from here over to this car and make one running car with 0 frame damage, which is gonna be amazing. I have a couple friends helping me today. Cameron is one of them. Sam, say hello.
Hey.
There we go, cool. And then I have Milo here as the, yep.
The AC system.
He's just helping out.
Pressure and
First things first is we got to pull the engine and transmission out. The one out of here runs very well, so need to do that. We're going to drop the entire front subframe. That's going to come down. Probably do the same thing with the rear subframes. This car has coilovers on it, so that needs to come out. It's going to be a fun process. There's going to be a lot of work to be done, but we're going to try and minimize as much work as possible and get it knocked out within the next few hours. So I'm going to set the camera up. Hours combined within a few days, but I'm gonna set the camera up and get to work. Yep. There you go. All right. Engine out. Alright guys, so spent a few hours trying to get all the things out. Got the first engine pulled out of the other car, which is over there. And everything on this car, the original Miata that I have, is pretty much prepped to be pulled. So tomorrow, going to drop the entire front subframe on this Miata and then slide it over and put it onto the other Miata. So that way it takes all the front suspension components, everything is all in one package, just goes up underneath the Miata and bolt everything up and connect everything, and then should be good. Then it's the rear. I'm gonna try and get the rear done tomorrow, possibly the interior, but we will see. So lots of work to be done. Time for sleep, and then back to work tomorrow. See you guys then. Alright guys, it has been a very long 2 days. Alright, so quick recap. That is my Miata, that has the frame damage. So that one is the one that I'm taking all the parts off of and putting them there. This is the car that Cameron brought. Actually, I picked it up, technically. But this is the car that is a clean title, no frame damage whatsoever, and I'm moving all of my engine, entire drivetrain is going on this one, and all the interior has to go over, all that stuff. So this is the good one. It's back over here on the lift. The rear subframe came from that car, which you can see there's no subframe over there. So over here, the entire subframe is bolted back in. So now the big thing that has to happen on this car is getting the entire front end of the drivetrain pushed up underneath the car and bolted in, all the harnesses hooked up, fuel lines, everything. All the things have to be hooked up. So there is a lot of work still to be done. Got to get the entire front end assembled and put together. Got to get all the interior in. None of that is super hard. It's just the hard thing is getting the engine hooked back up. Yeah, I really want to get this car done and do something else with it or get it sold so I can get an E46. This has been fun. This has been a long project. By the way, huge shout out to Cameron, Sam, and my father for being a major help in getting all this work done. It was a lot to do, and we made a ton of progress. A lot of this could not have been possible without all of their help. So huge shout out to those guys. Thank you guys so very much for watching. If you guys have not already, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Also click that notification bell, that way you guys don't miss out when new videos are posted. If you guys liked the video, if you guys enjoyed the video and enjoy the fact that the new chassis, no frame damage, I don't have to deal with all that rocker panel, side skirt thing, whatever you want to call it, that is, I'm going to throw that into a tree or something. I'm going to damage it beyond belief. I'm going to have fun with it because I hate that panel so much. But yes, it is done. So if you're happy about that, make sure you guys like the video. I'd appreciate it. So I'm going to end it here. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Have an awesome day.